Howdy everybody. In today's video, I want to discuss how to rank top stocks for your portfolio or for any kind of investment opportunity. Okay, so we're going to apply some pretty straightforward, simple logic to find out what the best stocks are out of a whole bunch of stocks. So I have the Dow components here. I think this is 29. It's not actually 30. I got this from online. I guess one dropped off and it wasn't replaced recently or whatever, or maybe I just did not get the full 30. I think we have 29, but this should be pretty representative of the Dow 30. I'm sourcing the data from here, so this is a very cool website called Finviz. They have all kinds of useful financial metrics, everything from market cap to sales, price to cash flow, PE, PEG, PS, PB. It goes on and on, right? ROA, ROE, ROI, shares outstanding, earnings, TTM, trailing 12 months. So pretty comprehensive, right? We have about 77 very useful financial metrics there that we're going to utilize. I don't want to reinvent the wheel and calculate all of those financial ratios for all of these 29 stocks. So we're going to just use what's available, screen scrape this data from that website, and start building our data frame based on all of these financial ratios. Okay, so it's working, it's pulling in the data. Very quick, very easy, and certainly much faster than a person going to copy and paste this 29 times, potentially making some mistakes. And of course, if you do it that way, it's going to take quite a while too. So this is quick and easy, very accurate. No mistakes are made, and you're done in a couple of seconds. Okay, so this is what the data frame looks like. The index is the stock ticker symbol. You have price to earnings. I'm sorry, EPS, trailing 12 months. So that's earnings per share. Number of or percentage of insider ownership, forward PE, market cap. So very useful information, right? Times 77. So we've got a plethora of features that we can work with here. I'm going to load everything into a list called metrics. Well, not everything, I'm sorry. These metrics, these ratios, I think are the most important across the board, across all of these 29 different stocks. I have another video on how I derived this. I added in a couple more in this scenario, like the last video I did had, I think it did not have ROA, ROE, ROI. I just added those in. But I think these are meaningful, and it definitely has a place here. So I'm going to add this in, run my metrics calculation, apply everything, or convert everything to numeric, right, to make sure that we're not having some type of object data or something, like it's a true numerical float data, right? And I'm going to rank all of these using this ranking feature in Python, and then assign all of these columns. So I'm looping through all the columns. I'm going to get an overall rank based on the rank for the PE, PEG, price of sales. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 different features I want to rank comprehensively based on all of these features. Okay, and I'm going to look at the final resulting data frame, the head and the tail. This is sorted. Ascending equals false. So this is in descending order by overall rank. So the top ranking stocks are at the top, right, and the bottom are at the bottom. So this is what we end up with. Amgen is a total rank of 181, so presumably that's the best stock in this list of 29. V, which is Visa, has 157, so it makes it to the top 5, not bad. Everything in between we're just ignoring for now. Now we're looking at the bottom 5. So Disney, Intel, Verizon, WBA, and Walmart at 108.5 are the top 5 lowest ranking stocks, right? Now let's go take a look at the results. So if we look at Amgen, Mickey D's, Home Depot, Microsoft, and Verizon, what do we get? I put this in Yahoo Finance. They have a really nice charting tool over here on the left. You can do comparisons between different stock symbols, right? So this is what we have. We're going back 6 months. I think this is a good metric to go back in time. And we see almost all these securities are positive. One is down 6.04. Which one is this? This is Verizon. Okay, Home Depot is down a little bit. Right? But still the other 3 are up, and the top performing stock at 19.7% is, let me get this. Oh yeah, that's the default Amgen. Okay, so overall the portfolio is doing quite well. We have 19%, 15%, 4%, and a couple very small negative percentages. So yeah, it's not perfect, right? These things are going to be volatile. They're going to bounce around a lot. but I think this is basically a pretty decent portfolio according to our ranking logic. If we go over here and look at the bottom 5, let's see what we get. Okay, so Intel, Verizon, WBA, Walmart, and Disney. We have one that's at 26%, one that's at 7%. Then we have negative 18% and negative, well, these two are both down, right? So about negative 47% and negative 49. Okay, 49, 47. So this portfolio is really lagging compared to the last portfolio. The last one was quite well. They did pretty extraordinary over the last 6 months. This one is really coming up short big time with these two. What is this? Get the mouse over there. Oh yeah, WBA, right? And what is, I cannot see it. WBA and what else do you have for me? Oh, Intel. That's the default. That's why it's not popping up. So WBA, Intel are really underperforming compared to the peer group in the first, the top 5 in that peer group that we saw before. So you pick these 5 investments and you should be good to go. You want to avoid these bottom 5, all right, just based on the ranking metrics that we calculate above. And just to be completely transparent here, this is not investment advice, okay? These securities are very volatile. They can go up, they can go down, they can go sideways. This is not an investment recommendation. I'm just showing you how to rank securities based on the metrics that we picked: P&E, PEG, price to sales, price to book, ROI, ROA, ROE, EPS next quarter, and EPS TTM. So that's pretty much it. No investment advice. If you lose money, don't get mad at me. Don't send me nasty emails or try to sue me. That's not going to happen. I'm not going to be liable for anything. It's not investment advice. It's just using Python to do numerical ranking of stocks based on the features that we pulled from the Finviz website. And just quickly, I'll take you through a couple of notes down here. I put this together. I'm going to save this file and post it when I post the video, so you'll have all the details here. It's pretty comprehensive, covering everything that I could think of. But I'm not going to walk you through it here in the video. It's going to take too long. And I don't want to just read off the page sheet, right? I want this to be more interactive, more dynamic. You interact with the code, pick it apart, see how it works, put it back together again, and you can come up with your own investment strategies and your own investment ideas, right? So that's the purpose of this video, to give you some basis to try to understand financial ratios better and how you can rank those ratios and gain insight into the stock market, gain more knowledge, make more intelligent investment decisions. That's the purpose of this, right? I tried to make it generic so anybody can understand it and anybody can utilize this for your own specific case, okay? So again, all the definitions, what the metrics mean, are in here. I think it's relevant. I think it's important. Take a look at that when you have some free time. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. Thanks for your time today. Have a great day. Bye.